How to enable picture in picture on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable picture in picture mode on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, just tap on the search bar at the top and here simply type picture in picture. And here from the result page, simply type picture in picture option, and after that you'll be prompted to the page where you will see the list of all the installed apps. So here you can scroll through the apps and there you can just tap on Messenger. And now here, once you are inside this page, you can simply toggle on this option that says allow picture in picture. So simply toggle on that option and make sure it's turned on. And with that, it will allow Messenger to show a floating windows. And that's it. That's how you can enable picture in picture mode on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.